My name is Sarisha. I am a junior and I am majoring in biomedical sciences. I show my pride of being a USF Bull by going to sports games. We have football games, we have basketball games. I love going to those games. When it's homecoming weekend, I try and go to every single homecoming event we have. Start of the year, we have the Drop the Ball event, and I love going to that. I've also seen how USF has a very high spirit when it comes to college spirit, games. Even if we don't have the best football team every week, we still do have a lot of spirit and everyone shows up. My favorite spot on campus is the MLK Plaza. We have a little reflecting pool and benches nearby. I love sitting there in the evening where there's a little breeze and it's cool, and the sound of the water, the people passing by when classes have just finished. It's a very nice and relaxing spot. I am very grateful that I have amazing professors. Every single professor I've had has been willing to make exceptions and has been very understanding. If I have any questions, any issues, they're very kind. For me, why USF is because we have Moffitt Cancer Center on campus, and they offer a lot of volunteering opportunities to students. They offer research opportunities. You can go shadow doctors, and I come primarily for pre-med. So when it comes to all of that, USF was the best option for me. Go Bulls!